Hi, I'm Muhammad Sufyan from Hayamim Alva. So as you know, this is actually an interactive panel and the brand is called Newline. And what's good about interactive panel is that you can have this whiteboard software or whiteboard apps inside. Okay, so this Newline have got a current version of whiteboard apps, which is this one here. Okay, so you can write and you can make multiple pages. Alright, so you can see here, you can see page number 2, page number 3, and you can go up to 20 pages. Okay, if you want to see all the pages, you can slide through all the pages. Okay, so up to number 20 page. Okay, so there are some applications where they require more than 20 page. Alright, so if that's the case, you have to upgrade this whiteboard apps to the newer version. Okay, this is the step. Okay, so what we can do is that, okay, we clear all the things first. Okay, so we delete. Okay, so we come up, we go to the setting, we go to the whiteboard. So from the classic view, we change to the newer version. Okay, this is the newer version interface. Alright. So next, if you press back the whiteboard software, this is the new version of the whiteboard apps. Okay, what's so special about this new version is that it can go up to 99 pages. Okay, so the usage is almost the same. You can just make page number 2, page number 3, and so on. Okay, it's just that the newer version is much more smoother and also have got more pages for you. Alright, so hopefully it helps. Thank you.